Jasmine, what's wrong? Sure, I will study in a very concentrated way for a short time before exam. So you cram for it? You should have studied regularly, haven't you? But there is an exceptionally clever person in my class who doesn't study a lot. Oh, he's a genius, but even he might need to do some revisions. Maybe I also have to revise looking exam papers from previous years. You mean past papers? It might quite help you. Mostly, I learn purely by repetition. It's rote learning. Unfortunately, it's not sufficient for most subjects. One of my friends spent the maximum time studying. That's cause she buries herself in her books. That's the best idea to achieve high marks. I was so lazy to do like her, but for now, I'll have to do it in a very focused way. It's good that you'd like to study intensively. If so, I'll know the subject completely before the exam, right? That's it, you'll know it inside out. Bye guys, see you guys in the next lesson.